Hello, I'm Melissa, and that's Dagan, and we're a millennial couple from two completely different walks of life. Dagan, a passionate chef, waterman, and extreme sports adrenaline junkie.
We met a beautiful, conservative, and loving city girl from Seattle who was hungry for adventure. And after 5 years of grinding for a living together stateside, we decided to sell everything and leave behind all of our family, friends, and American comforts to travel the globe looking for legendary experiences, humbling knowledge, and true freedoms.
Live life while you still can and never hold back an emotion, a dream, or a life's goal. Follow along with us through two totally different perspectives as we adventure, eat, drink, and enlighten ourselves through each country. Subscribe to join our journey as we conquer these legendary moments together.
Ginoo, tayo ay lalapag na sa ilang sandali. Panatilihing nakakabit ang inyong seat.
This is on our layover in Manila. We promised we wouldn't hold anything back from you guys, and we promised that we'd show you the harsh realities of developing nations. These are the children that beg for money in the streets of downtown. It's right in the middle of traffic, right on the highway. They range from 10 years old all the way down to 2 years. This one here at the driver's window is 4 years old. Humbling moments, and we're just going to leave you with this. And the next day when we take off for Kuala Lumpur. Hashtag Haggard. Huh? Well, we made it. Hi.
Ready to eat. So I used to watch my friends traveling around the world, and I would be so jealous of them because that's all I wanted to do is just get on a plane and go somewhere. And now we're doing it. We're living the life. We're here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Life can't get any grander right now. We are on the KLA train headed to Central Station, so we can get to our hostel, which is in Chinatown, which is on Walking Street. I just want to do this. It is really beautiful here so far. Come along and ride on our fantastic voyage.
You want to see your queen smile? Take her places.
Adventures.
Yeah. The city of 1,000 languages and 1,000 cultures. Kuala Lumpur.
Woo! Almost there. How you feeling, babe? Stoked? Phew. Love it.
Just taking it all in right now.
Yeah, you're in Malaysia. You are in Malaysia.
Our place is awesome too because the the monorail's right there, the bus station's right there.
Yeah. And the food's right here.
Yeah. We got a primo spot.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Yeah, right around this corner. You gotta find the little door. There'll be a door. There you go. You gotta ring the bell? Doorbell? Yeah.
It's secure.
Yeah.
We can ring my bell. I love all the diversity in
Oh, yeah.
buildings.
Yeah. But we're really stoked to be here. We are at Bird's Nest Hostel and Housing, guest housing, and it has a lot of really good reviews. Seems great. The communal area up here on the rooftop looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm happy. I'm stoked. I'm ready to go settle in and relax here in a minute. We got here a little bit before check-in time, so we'll wait about an hour or so. And then we'll put our stuff down, wipe off, put on a fresh pair of shorts and shirt, and go take a look. Luckily the sun goes down pretty quick here, so we're only a few hours from dark, and probably like 5 to midnight it's gonna be on. So what are your goals while you're here?
See everything. But I don't know what there is to see so far.
We just kind of wing it, you know?
Yeah.
I look really bad right now.
No, you don't actually.
I am super tired. I have barely still getting over a massive illness that I picked up in the waterfalls in Mindanao. Haven't really slept in several days. Yeah, you know, the whole travel thing, it's kind of like a stress. You got there. So right now, I'm just barely taking a deep breath. Feel like I can pass out for hours and take a nap. Hopefully, I'm totally rejuvenated in a few days.
You want to get married? Here.
Was it?
Yeah.
No. There's no beautiful beach here to put my feet in the water with. And you ain't got a dress yet.
I don't.
Kuala Lumpur is famous for quite a lot. This man right here is definitely one of the true legends. So we're definitely going to start out by stopping by and seeing the peanut pancake guy. Alyssa absolutely fell in love with this stuff. His ingredients are really simple. Pancakes, sugar, peanuts. He tears it up. You know, the guy is literally world famous. He could sell these for, I don't know, probably $3 a slice. He still sells them for 20 cents a slice. Absolute legend. Peanut pancake guy of Chinatown, Kuala Lumpur.
Quick, take your ring off and let's try this again. Make everybody buy us drinks. Okay, we are in one of 9 super malls. It's 10 floors. This one's 10 floors. 10 floors of every high-end concept on the planet, every restaurant, every single thing you could imagine you'd want to experience or see. Hell, they even got a TGI Fridays in this place.
We're not going home.
It's really humbling to experience this when you live on an island with nothing that actually shows up everything America has.
And more.
And more.
Alright, so I'm getting a little frustrated right now. It is, I don't know what time
8 o'clock.
it is. It's 8 o'clock. We haven't eaten much today at all. We've had a little tiny snack this morning. And Dagan is struggling to make a decision on where to eat because there are so many places to choose from. Take it away. Tell them why you haven't eaten.
Like I'm emotional. Like, I'm a chef, okay? I am a chef and a culinarian and a foodie all the way to the core of my soul. There's too much. There's too many options. And I have gone, like, we just saw 10 amazing restaurants. I'm really emotional. Like, this is extremely stressful.
I'm about to get emotional.
And I need to feed my woman. And
I'm laughing about it right now, but inside I am dying of hunger.
Yes. Or Gingo Sushi.
We can go Gingo Sushi.
All right. I quit.
We made a decision.
I made a decision. I quit.
We can go back to that another.
Hey, two.
We made a decision, folks. I get to eat. We have just ordered food, and I am about to cry with happiness. I'm so elated. I'm freaking starving.
I want it all. That's the problem. And like, I'm a simpleton. Like, I like everything. But at the same time, I'm a chef, so I'm picky as frick.
The nice thing about sushi, though, is we'll be hungry in another
Yes,
45
so
minutes.
we will get trashed on street food later.
Yeah.
Oh, there's my salad. Why, thank you. Bye-bye now.
Ice cream. Seems to be a very popular thing here. Everywhere you look, someone's eating it. Hey. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Alright, so these are some of the stations and how absolutely quiet they are, but there's moments where they're not. And there is rush hour. This is how you get to places. First, obviously, we'll put a little English in there. We'll buy some tokens. Bukit Bintang 2. So, confirm. Put these in. Oh, gotta play the game with these things. They are temperamental. Ooh. She's fighting it, folks. Oh!
A little bit.
We'll bleep that out. Hey, all right.
All right, I've got.
So it takes your coins. If it gives you change, it gives it to you down there. It's going to give you these 2 little chips. And show us the chips, honey. Boom.
Chip in a chair.
Thank you. That's right. All right, we're out of here. This is the street of food. 100%. Every piece of food and style of food from around the world. All on one street, all night long. The party never stops. Absolutely amazing. What do you think, babe?
It's amazing.
Sizzling Mongolian beef. And that, my queen's got her pad thai. Are we a happy lady? I got you.
Going to the Batu Caves.
Where are we going?
To the Batu Caves.
We tried to get on platform 9 3/4 and get the fuck out of here, but they said no. Obviously, this is a holy place, so this is a very holy place. You know, you want to respect that, but also this is a tourist spot. It has become that. It's definitely picture-worthy. Where are we right now?
We're at the
Plum
caves. It's just awe-inspiring.
Yeah. Is that a good banana? Yeah? That was a good banana, huh? Oh yeah. Alright, off to find more bananas. We are headed up there, folks. Are you ready for this?
I don't know, that's a climb.
It's another adventure. How you doing?
I do this every day, and you'll be fit.
Yeah?
Obviously, I'm not.
We're doing it. I'm doing it. The big guy's doing it. It's no flippin' joke. She got her baby.
That's how I felt.
Basically raining in this cave. And I mean, this is a cave. So, we just made it to the top of the caves, and they've got some kind of religious ceremonies going on, some sacrificing, some really cool stuff. And I gotta tell you, this place gives an absolutely amazing spiritual vibe. And, you know, it might just be the thickness of the air in the cave, the cloud that we're standing in, but it is really unbelievable here. And I'm glad we came. And this is what Being Legends is all about. And by all means, you guys, come visit these places. Come do these things because, I mean, what else are you gonna do? You know? How you feeling?
I have very mixed emotions about this. It's absolutely gorgeous here. It is. The caves are a wonder. It's tough though. These people are making money off of their religion, and that's where I'm like, ooh, that's where it's hard for me. It's something that I didn't grow up with, where you profit off of your beliefs. Something that I frowned upon always and still do. So this is very difficult for me. Their religion is beautiful, and what they have is the work, the intricate work that's gone into it is stunning. It's just the profiting that I'm like, oh. Even down in there, I don't know if you noticed, but down in their lower sanctuary area that they have in the cave, there's a whole list of things that you can pay for them to do. So.
Right there.
Yeah. It's uncomfortable for me.
Okay. How we doing?
I'm so sweaty.
What do you think is going to be harder, up or down?
Down's just going to take me more time because of balance.
Yeah.
I'm not one to run downstairs,
Yeah.
but
It's flipping.
definitely I think up was harder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It's flipping gorgeous.
It is gorgeous.
This place is insane.
Yeah.
Like
Las Vegas ain't got good on this.
New York and Las Vegas combined ain't got shit on this place.
If you ever get the chance to visit Kuala Lumpur, do it. Everyone's sitting down and eating and drinking and having fun.
Back it up.
Cheers.
Cheers.